Welcome back to our channel, Your English School Vocabulary. Like, comment and subscribe. आज हम करेंगे बैड हैबिट्स. Chewing with open mouth. Chewing pencil. Snoring. Littering. Bite nails. Spit. Tapping feet. Tapping fingers. Cracking knuckles. Picking nose. Twirling hair. Slouching back. Drooling. Smoking. Grinding teeth. Doodling. Being lazy. Fidgeting. Sleeping in class. Hitting someone. Farting in public. Burping in public. ये कौन सी बैड हैबिट है, कमेंट करके बताइए. योर इंग्लिश स्कूल वोकैबुलरी.